Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Android phone for free. Customizing your Android phone lets you reflect your personality, improve usability, and enhance the overall experience. And if you want to make it without spending a dime, this is a step-by-step guide to help you achieve it. First, you can personalize your home screens. You can change the wallpaper by long press on the home screen and tap on wallpapers in here, and you can choose from the pre-installed wallpapers on upload an image on your own and apply it to your home screen, lock screen, or both. So in this case, I use this wallpaper I got from Pinterest. So you can also find it on Pinterest to find an aesthetic one. Second one, you can also add widgets. You can just again long press on the home screen and tap on widgets in here. You can browse available widgets and drag your desired one to the home screen. For example, I'm going to add, let's add CapCut widgets in here. You can see you can just choose the style that you want, and then after that just tap on add widget, and here you can resize and reposition the widgets to how you like it. And next, you can also organize apps. You can group apps into folders by dragging one app icon onto another, like this one's right here. For example, I'm going to drag or combine this two just like this, and you can change the name of the folder by clicking on it, and here you can rename it to how you like it. And next one, you can use a custom launcher. A launcher changes the look and feel of your Android interface, so you can use free launchers such as a Nova launcher, Niagara launcher, or Microsoft launcher. And you can just open the Play Store and search for the launcher that you want. You can click on search and just find launcher in here, and there will be lots of options that you can select it. You can also customize app icons for a fresh new look. You can install a free icon pack from the Google Play Store, such as Weekends or Candy Cons. Let's try the Weekends, for example. Here you can find it. You can see there are lots of customized icon that you can use for your Android device. You can also enhance your lock screen by changing the clock style and add or customize lock screen shortcut for quick access to a certain apps. And you can also enable rotating wallpapers on your lock screen. And you can also use animated wallpapers for a dynamic look. You can just go find it on the Play Store, search for live wallpaper. Okay, you can just download the and apply the free live wallpaper such as Muzei and Minimal Live Wallpaper. You can also customize sound or adjust the phone and display. You can just long press on it. Here you can go to the color and style. You can change the preset color, the system color. Here I choose color from my wallpaper. You can also apply it to icons if you want to. So the icons will be changed just like this. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.